How are you? Before you jump into AI and automation, consider this first. We have a tendency, if you're thinking about picking up AI and automation, I have got one advice for you. Don't scroll. So don't start by diving into the AI tool you see popping up on your social media accounts. Every week there is a new chatbot, there is a new automation platform, there is a new AI agent, coding assistants, or productivity tools here and there that guarantee you that you'll make your whole work a lot easier. It's okay, but tools they are always changing, and because of that, instead what you really need now is a plan. In project management, we plan before you start anything. Start by sticking with the fundamentals. What are the fundamentals? First, figure out what AI can do and what it can't do. The moment you know that, learn the basics of generative AI. There are a lot of free courses, AI, machine learning, large language models, APIs and automations. Just have the basics. Then remember, you don't need to become a machine learning wizard. You just need to learn the basics only. Then after that, you should get a handle on what happens when you give AI system a task and it comes up with a response. What really happens in the background there? Don't you ask yourself? Next, to learn how to tackle problems with AI. Instead of asking questions like, which AI tool should I dive into? Now start asking yourself, which AI tool is going to do what I need to do? Repetitive, that every day I don't need to do the same, it will do it repetitive. That's what we call automation. You also perhaps you want to get maybe faster at analyzing data. Maybe you want to automate your reports, whatever reports you run on a daily basis. Maybe you want to condense documents. You have a lot of documents, like 1,000 of contracts. You want to condense them. Or you want even to streamline how customer support is done, responses, emails, and business processes. There is a lot we do with AI. Once you grasp the basics and you know what the problem is, deciding which tool to use becomes very easy. And the third is learn about automation. Most of the cases, we learn these AI tools to automate the tasks we do on a daily basis. Understand the structure, the basic structure, the triggers that happen in the background, the data that comes into the equation. AI gets to work and makes it easier, and it recommends for your response. Have you ever asked yourself why those responses come like that? Where that data is saved? Then another system will take over